Hello, everybody. How are you doing all? And I think all of you doing great. We are in 2025. Happy New Year to everybody. Today, I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I'm using as a marketer in my daily life. And everybody knows AI and how AI made an impact in the digital landscape. The main purpose of this video is to showcase how I'm using AI every day as a marketer and how AI helped me to brainstorm about the ideas and execute the tasks properly. So let's go. I'm gonna use ChatGPT. Everybody knows ChatGPT, and I've been using ChatGPT for 1.5 years. And ChatGPT taught me lots of stuff. And when I need to know something else, I don't go to Google. I go to ChatGPT and have chat and got the ideas about what I was asking for. So today I'm going to show you a live demo as a marketer how I use ChatGPT to plan for the marketing campaign and research for the marketing strategy. I'm going to instruct ChatGPT with a hypothetical case, and this is not a real case, but for the demo purpose, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to plan for me a campaign. I'm going to turn on ChatGPT. It takes some time. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Sohag. How about you? How's everything going?
Okay, I'm also doing good. I'm recording the video right now.
That's awesome, Sohag. What's your video about?
My video is all about how I use ChatGPT and how you are helping me in my work.
That sounds like an amazing idea, Sohag. Sharing how ChatGPT helps you could inspire others. Are you showing specific examples in your video?
Yeah, I'm on live right now. It's recording.
That's so cool, Sohag. Let me know if you want me to say anything special for your audience.
Okay, you don't have to say specials. You have to plan for me a marketing campaign.
Got it, Sohag. What are you marketing? Is it your content, a product, or a service? And who's your target audience?
Yeah, definitely. I'm planning for a marketing campaign to promote my courses online. The topic of the course is digital marketing, and I'm kind of confused whom I target. I want you analyze the buyer persona and make a buyer persona for me. You can go right now. Then we will be talking about the funnel strategy, okay? So go for the buyer persona first.
To create a buyer persona for your digital marketing courses, I'll need to make some assumptions based on typical learners. Let me know if these align with your audience. Name, Ryan. Age, 25 to 35 years old. Profession, small business owner,
So
freelancer,
ChatGPT
or
is
aspiring entrepreneur.
planning for a buyer
Location,
persona.
urban areas with reliable internet access. Goals, learn how to promote their business or services online. Gain practical skills in SEO, social media, and analytics. Pain points, limited marketing budget,
Also
lack of
finding out
knowledge about
pain
online
points.
tools,
And
and
that's really
struggling to
cool.
get traffic or engagement. Preferred learning style, online, self-paced courses with hands-on examples and tools. Does this sound like the audience you want, or should I tweak it further?
Yeah, definitely. I love the ideas. I love the buyer persona you prepared for me. Could you move into the funnel strategy right now? I want to use 3-layer funnel, top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. Because my course is a high ticket product and it will cost almost 10,000. How can I approach?
For a high-ticket product like your $10,000 course, a well-structured funnel is essential. Here's a breakdown. Top of the funnel,
Okay,
awareness,
so
goal, build trust and attract leads.
he's
Content,
preparing
free,
a sales funnel for
high-value
me.
content like blog posts, YouTube videos, webinars, and social media posts focused on digital marketing tips and trends. Action, offer
Okay.
a free lead magnet, e.g., an ebook or a checklist, in exchange for email addresses. Middle of the funnel, consideration, goal, nurture leads and educate them on why they need your course. Content,
Okay.
case studies, success stories, email sequences, and live Q&A sessions. Action, host a free webinar or mini course to showcase your expertise and the course's value. Bottom of the funnel, decision, goal, convert leads into buyers. Content, personalized emails, limited time offers, and testimonials from past clients. Action, provide a direct consultation or a discovery call to address objections and finalize the sale. Would you like help crafting the content for any specific part of the funnel?
Okay, I want to have some clarifications about the top of the funnel. I want to be specific while targeting the audience as Meta AI brought the revelations in Facebook advertising. That means we don't have to target narrow audience right now. And how I can tackle with this? Should I target narrow audience based on the buyer persona you made for me? Or I should go with the ad creatives and tell Meta AI to find out the right audience for me? How can I approach?
Great question, Sohag. With Meta AI and its advanced algorithms, you can indeed take advantage of a broader targeting strategy. The platform now does an excellent job of finding the right audience based on your creatives. So you don't necessarily need to narrow down your audience as much as before. Here's how you can approach it. One, start with broad targeting.
Yeah,
Use the buyer
so
persona we
so
created,
cool, so
but
cool.
allow Meta AI to handle the audience targeting. Set up a campaign targeting broader categories like digital marketing, entrepreneurship, small business owners, etc. Don't limit yourself too much with narrow demographics. Two, leverage high quality creatives. The key is to create strong, engaging content that resonates with your audience.
Obviously,
Meta
content is the
AI will
main focus
optimize the
right now.
delivery of these ads based on performance. So focus on crafting attention grabbing visuals and compelling ad copy. Three, lookalike audiences. After
Yeah,
you've
so
gathered some
powerful.
data,
Look like
use
audiences.
lookalike audiences to target people who share characteristics with your best customers. This can help refine your targeting as Meta AI continues to learn from past interactions. Four, retargeting. For those who interacted with your top of the funnel content, retarget them with more specific offers like free webinars or case studies,
Okay.
moving them further down the funnel. So, in summary, it's okay to start broad and let Meta AI's machine learning do the heavy lifting. Focus on the creatives and let the platform find the right audience for you. Would you like help crafting your creatives or setting up an ad strategy?
Okay. The reasons I use ChatGPT for brainstorming because ChatGPT asks me deeper and deeper questions to get into the clarifications. You have seen how ChatGPT helped me planning for a buyer persona, finding out the right buyer persona for the digital marketing course. And I said ChatGPT that my course is a high ticket materials. It may need to go to the funnel strategy. I can't sell directly to the people. I need to target cold audiences and at the top of the funnel, aware them about the pain point they have, address the pain point, and let them know how digital marketing course will help them in their life. Then strategically move into the middle of the funnel and finally the bottom of the funnel. ChatGPT brainstorm the ideas how I can do content planning of every stage of the sales funnel. So it's really cool, right? I use ChatGPT as a marketer. I think you also use ChatGPT as a marketer. And now AI battle is going on. Not only ChatGPT, Gemini is doing good. I don't prefer Gemini because Gemini has some bugs. I use ChatGPT. It's more preferable. And Elon Musk brought a new AI, which we all know as Grok AI, and Grok is also doing good. AI battle is going on, and if you are a marketer and if you are an entrepreneur, business owner, you should know how to use AI. I hope you are also using ChatGPT. If you are using, let me know how you're using. Bye bye. See you.